Good morning everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So we had a valuable lesson in noise or news, as I refer to it, but we'll get to that later on in the video when we get down to the 50-minute chart. So for now, what we do have is this massive hanging man pin bar. Then straight after that we sort of got a confirmation green bar, bit of selling off the top, but we are still sort of battling along to the upside. And I think really that we can add, the trend is up. You can see on the 3-hour, pretty solid trend at the moment. And I think this channel here is very well defined. So that's a channel I'll be focusing on. Not too worried about the bigger channel that's on the weekly right now. We are into earnings seasons today, so a lot of things that could happen, should happen, but we'll have to wait and see what transpires with price itself. So for me at the moment, we are top of channel. I'd expect some form of a sell-off, then looking for an opportunity to buy into it again. So if we go down to the hour, see pretty much very big up and down day yesterday, and that's very relevant when you see the 8-hour pin bar, or not really a pin bar, but a hanging man that it formed here. And we do have a bit of rejection, but I think that's more profit taking at the close. I don't really want to be holding stuff overnight at the moment. I think that's exactly what transpired here. So let's just get down to the 15-minute and just look at this lesson that was taught to us. The first thing is we were very much up and down. Trend is up. We should only be looking to buy. And basically at this point here, we had some good German data that came through and the market started rallying. Immediately gapped up. And in fact, I'm going to drop down to the 5-minute because it's a lot clearer on the 5-minute. So you can see that was German data that came out. On the break, well, okay, opportunity here to buy into this, and that's the breakout there. So I want to see the retest. We came back, retest failed. We got below it again. But that piercing pattern there was an indication that something's not right. We had good data come out and then immediately got sold. And then this was the Johnson & Johnson information that came out. So that Johnson & Johnson information came out basically stating that it's resulting in blood clots like all the other vaccines at the moment. However, guys, this is why you don't trade the news, because this is German data. You wouldn't, this happened within 5 minutes. Boom. Then you got that. This here, while you're trying to figure out what's going on, is it results, company results, is it virus, is it a war that started, what's going on? Look at the move that has happened before you even figure it out. So that's 188 pip move, a 0.5% move before you even got a chance to open up a browser and actually look for news. So the algorithm that you were trading against, they're reacting within milliseconds to any news and making decisions based on that. Then we have other algorithms that are coming at the bottom. I'm going to show you why they came in at the bottom to start trading. And then you had the CPI. That was the CPI data, US CPI data that came in. You can see first gap down because CPI was up from what they were expecting. And then we start rallying again. So this is noise. This is news. Basically, that's driving all of this. And it's impossible for you and I as mere mortal human beings to actually trade this. So that's why I don't bother with the news. I look for my levels, and you can see I gave you this level yesterday. It's pretty close to the bottom of the range. There it is there. There's a previous swing high. That was your entry, 4111. I actually gave this to you on Monday already. We didn't get it on Monday, but lo and behold, we got it yesterday. Not that I got it. I was fast asleep and not watching it. I didn't have a limit order in here like I should have had. But again, that's another lesson learned. So that is pretty much why I don't trade news. Okay, it doesn't help to even focus on the news, because by the time you've figured everything out, you've missed half the move anyway. So I focus on the levels. Everything is written into the charts. So with that being said, what am I looking for? I need a retest. Okay, so I need pullback. There's one right here that I'd be interested in. And in actual fact, this is probably the only one I'm interested in right now. It's 41.36. So pull back to 41.36. I'm looking for an opportunity to buy. It could drop as low as 41.32, and I'm looking for an opportunity to buy. Stop at the moment is going to be below this swing low here, and this swing low is below 41.30. And that's pretty much the plan for today. So I hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.